decorate for Christmas Day. I got Christmas here. I got Christmas. Hi, Destiny. I got Christmas there. I got all the kids bringing up all the stuff. I have my massive tree. I have 2 trees set up already. No, 3 set up already. Robert's fixing the floor because we didn't fix the subfloor by the stairs. Well, we fixed it, but we didn't fix a little part of it. So the floor popped up right there by the bathroom. So he's fixing that. So I'm gonna decorate while he do that. Good morning.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile, I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around.
It's looking a little rough because I still have to take tags off. I still have to fluff. I still have to add my fairy lights. But I like it. I was gonna put like a 6-foot tree right here in the corner, but I'm gonna see how all of this looks before I bite the bullet on this corner right here. This tree right here, well, it's not a tree. It's actually a thing that I put candy in for the kids. It's gonna go right here. So I think that's gonna tie the space, and then that sign is gonna go right there, and that should tie the space in. Okay, so it's been a long day. I'm a little overwhelmed, to say the least, but I'm working on this little space right here. This is gonna be like a tree farm-ish situation. It's looking a little rough. Hold on. And I think I showed you guys over there. My table, I think I'm gonna go a little bit dramatic this year. I'm looking at it and I'm like, don't do it. But I think I'm gonna go for it. If y'all don't know me, I'm dramatic. I'm dramatic as all get out. Like, yes, I'm Janice and I'm dramatic, okay? If you don't know that by now, you should know now that I'm dramatic. So I think I'm gonna do that and see what it looks like. So let's keep going.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk out outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer.